Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Earlier this week, I was blessed with the opportunity to work with a coffee company. So let's unbox that package now. It comes in this really cute teal packaging. As you can see, I've already pre-opened it. But it comes with brewing instructions. If you're a beginner, you have instructions for pour overs as well as basically just a pour over instruction, but you could use it for coffee pots as well. Here are the instructions. And on the back, it has a lovely thank you note from the company owner. Her name is Michelle, and she basically says, "Enjoy your roast." It also came with stickers, which you can put on any surface that you would like. I'm probably gonna put these on my laptop. And the first sticker says, "Sip your way." I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Probably backwards. But it says, "Sip your way." And then our next sticker says, "Lovely day, coffee." So, like I said, you can put them anywhere. You can put them on your Kindle, your Barnes & Noble reader, your iPad, your laptop. And the final thing that came in this package is, of course, our coffee. The title of the coffee is Nonstop. The origin is Honduras. The roast level is light. And it has flavor notes of wildflower honey, milk chocolate, and tangerine. Now, let's go over to the blender and blend it up and get it ready for drinking. As y'all can see, they are ready to be ground up and put to use for however you enjoy your morning beverage start. I personally prefer cold brew, but I don't really have room in the fridge right now for a second batch. But let's dry prep it anyway. These are what the beans look like. We're gonna press blend on my Ninja Auto IQ blender. And as you can see, it's all ready to go. Give me 1 second while I undo the blender, please. I should also mention that before I grind this up, if you do have an automatic coffee maker slash grinder type machine, for example, the Terra Cafe TKO1, or that one from DeLonghi, where you can put the beans on top and grind it bean to cup, which is basically the same as a Terra Cafe. But anyway, if you have any of those types of machines, you can use this basically right from the start of when you get it, and just put it wherever your bean hopper is. So you can use this from bean to cup. It's all concealed in the blender, and if you look, you can still see that it's mostly ground up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's mostly ground up with a smidge of beans left over. But as you can see, it's ready for dry prep. And the flavor profiles smell amazing. I can really smell the hints of the tangerine and wild honey and chocolate notes as well. So that is what ground coffee looks like from whole beans. How cool is that? So I just finished grinding the Lovely Day beans, and now we're gonna wait until it drips through to start the cold brew process. Now, as I said, this is a whole bean product, so if you have a hopper to pot combination, or a hopper to really any type of machine combination, it should work. But this is my favorite way of doing things. But really any coffee method will work, but we're just doing cold brew for now. You can find her on social media at Lovely Day Coffee on both Instagram and TikTok. So if you end up following her on either of those sites, tell her that I sent you, and I'm sure she'll be happy to help you out in any way, shape, or form. Another great thing that I love about this company is that it is a woman-owned company, so that's fantastic. And not only that, the beans that she roasts from are local as well. And if y'all can see, on the bottom, I'm not sure if you can see it, but on the bottom, there's a roasted on date of March 5th, 2024, excuse me. And so you can really tell that she's passionate about what she does, and you can really tell that she loves her job. Once again, to the owner of Lovely Day Coffee, thank you so much for allowing me to work with you, and have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.